Hey guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how I installed these crochet box braids. The hair that I'm using is from Ywigs. This is their 24-inch crochet boho box braids in the color number 1B. Here I'm showing you what the braids look like in the pack. Each pack contains 40 braids, and these braids are a mix of synthetic and human hair. As you can see, it has that boho style, and these curls are human hair. So now I'm going to show you how I braided my hair for this style. My plan going in was to do a mix of the individual braid method as well as the connected braided box method. So for these first 3 rows in the front, I section out each individual part, and then I'm just braiding and connecting them together. So for the top 2 rows on this side, I'm going to do the individual crochet method. So here I'm going to part each row and section them out and do individual braids. So this is what it looks like when I'm finished with this first side. I'm then just going to repeat the same exact method on the other side. Then for the back, I just try to connect the front rows to the back rows and part all the way across. So my plan was to part my hair similar to the way that I would do if I was doing regular knotless braids. I wanted to still do the connected box method in the back for some portions, just so that I was able to pull my hair up and it would look seamless. So now I'm going to start installing the hair. This process is pretty simple. I'm just inserting my crochet needle sideways, and then I am latching the braid into the hook and then crocheting it through. Once you have the braid through, you're going to grab the bottom of the braid and latch it into the hook and pull that through to create a knot at the top. Then you'll just repeat this process for every part that you created. Alright, now that I have most of the braids installed, I'm moving on to the individual crochet portion. So I have individual braids in the first 2 rows, and a few like at the top middle of my head. So I'm going to install them the same way I did previously by looping the end of the braid to form a knot. The only difference this time is that I will be crocheting my braided hair through the crochet braid. So first you're going to see me crocheting the braids onto my braids. I like to do this process all at once and then go back and crochet my hair through the braids. So I'm going to show you that afterwards. Doing the individual crochet method gives you more styling versatility. I also think it makes the style look more natural. You can do however many you want. Typically, I like to do it in the front, but you could also do this on the perimeter of your hair as well, just to give you more options when it comes to styling. So then you'll just want to repeat this process until you have done it for all of the remaining braids. Alright guys, so here are my final results. I think this style came out so cute. I'm not sure if I'll ever do regular knotless braids again. Definitely not for my whole head. I ended up using almost 2 full packs of hair. I would probably say I had about 10 or 15 braids left in the second pack. You could definitely add more braids to yours if you want a fuller look, but I love the way that these braids turn out. It's such a convenient style and the hair is such good quality. I don't even have any products added to my hair at this time, and the curls are still really nice and defined. If you're interested in trying these crochet boho box braids from Ywigs, I will have it linked down in the description box, as well as all the products I used to achieve this look. Let me know down in the comments what you think of this style and if you would try it, and I'll see you guys next time.